What if Mars suddenly had a sky you could breathe? Not a thin, fading layer, but a dense atmosphere pressing against your skin, filling your lungs, making the planet feel alive. Right now, Mars is exposed. Its atmosphere is incredibly thin, less than 1% of Earth's pressure, too weak to hold heat, too weak to support liquid water, and too weak to protect anything on the surface. But if Mars suddenly gained a thick atmosphere, everything would change immediately. The first thing you'd notice is the sky. Sunlight scattering through the dense air would turn the dusty red haze into a soft blue glow. For the first time, Mars wouldn't look dead, it would look like a world. And then comes the temperature shift. A thicker atmosphere traps heat, creating a greenhouse effect. The cold, frozen surface begins to warm. Ice at the poles and beneath the ground starts collapsing and melting, releasing gases and water into the environment. Pressure rises across the planet. And this is critical because now liquid water can exist. No longer instantly freezing or evaporating, water could remain stable on the surface. Imagine standing there. For the first time, you could feel the air and take a breath. Clouds begin forming overhead. Water vapor cycles through the atmosphere. Winds carry moisture across continents. And then, something Mars hasn't truly experienced in billions of years: rain. Weather systems come alive. Storms roll across the surface. Seasons begin to shape the planet. Mars transforms from a silent desert into a dynamic world. But this transformation has limits. Mars still has weaker gravity than Earth, making it harder to hold onto this thick atmosphere over long periods. And without a strong magnetic field, the sun would slowly begin stripping that atmosphere away again. So, even if Mars becomes habitable, it may not stay that way forever. Still, even temporarily, everything changes. Liquid water, stable air, and protection from radiation open the door for life. Microbes could survive. Ecosystems might begin forming. For humans, this would be revolutionary. Mars wouldn't just be a place to visit, it could become a place to live. The planet itself would evolve. Rivers would carve landscapes. Sediments would shift. Mars would no longer be frozen in time, it would begin to change, just like Earth. And it all comes down to one invisible factor: air. Not just having it, but having enough of it. Because without an atmosphere, a planet is silent. But with it, a world can come alive. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.